Hi everybody, I wanted to do a quick walkthrough of our Blackboard site since you have requirements before we see each other so that you have a good idea of how to navigate the course. So I'm here in Student View, so this should be exactly what you see when you get there, the name of the course, and then this is the announcements. I use announcements quite a bit in my classes. You can see there's nothing right now. I don't have anything to post because we haven't met yet, but I do use them a lot. So make sure you have your settings in Blackboard set up so that you get emails when announcements are sent. As you can see here, over here on the left, here's the toolbar for our class, and I have a Start Here section. So the course information, there's me, and then this is my email address, and then my office. I'm 3 offices down from Cynthia in Building 6. You can see here we're hybrid with Blackboard discussions due each Wednesday and face-to-face meetings on Thursday, and then there's where we meet face-to-face. Then if you go to where we're going to do most of our work is here in weekly modules. So if you click on weekly modules, you can see here's week 1. And the way that I have this set up is that you will be able to see 3 weeks at a time. So the current week, which is of course week 1, and then 2 upcoming weeks. When I'm not going to take away modules that you've completed, so you have all those resources, but I am going to move them to the bottom so it's easier to navigate. As you can see here in week 1, if I click on that, it brings me to the module, and our welcome thing is the welcome to the class. Here where you see instructional level, that tells you about how long you should expect to spend on the work that's required before you get to class to meet face-to-face. Now I think it's important to keep in mind that this instructional level work does not include any external homework. So since this is a hybrid class, you should think about the activities that we're doing on Blackboard as classroom time and not as assignments. You can see here's your discussion, and there's the prompt there, and then I have pictures of the texts. You need both of those, as well as a syllabus and a syllabus quiz. So everything you know that you need to do is in here. So if I go over here to the discussion, then it'll, for this first week, post a quick introduction as well as what you hope to learn from this course. So you then create a thread. Alright, so if you create a thread, just click on that and it'll pull up this. And you can put your subject, that's all the stuff that I posted in here. You could say something like, "Hi, I'm so excited," right? Whatever you want to put, and then you put your body of your message here and then submit. I require that students post 3 times over the week. Your first post, you can see it's in the discussion prompt here. 3 posts are due by Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. One of these posts must answer the discussion prompt in at least 250 words, and 2 must be responses to peers' post. You will not be able to see any posts until you make a post of your own. So it'll look like it's empty until you make that initial post. So the earlier you do that, the more chances you'll have to make responses before Wednesday. Those due dates are going to be the same. Those discussion forums will open on Saturday and will close by 11:59 on Wednesday. So that'll be the same for pretty much all the weeks. It'll just have the different things to do. So that's week 1. If you go over here to week 2, there's a little description, right? And there's you have 2 videos to watch plus an article to read. And then the discussion board doesn't show up because it's not open yet. It's also important to know that the assignment drop boxes, you always have access to the descriptions of the rubrics for the assignments, even though they are also within the weekly modules. You just don't have anything due. So that's it. I am really excited to see everybody face to face in just a few days. Please let me know if you have any questions. Have a great